Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Smart Hub, press Home on the remote, and go straight to Apps. Once there, navigate with the arrow keys until you highlight the app you want removed. Press and hold Enter or the Options button to open the app's context menu. This reveals Remove/Uninstall choices because Samsung hides deletion behind the Options layer to avoid accidental removals. Once the context menu is open, select Remove, Delete, or Uninstall. The exact label varies by model. Confirm the prompt that appears. This permanently clears the app from your home screen and frees any associated space. If the delete option is grayed out, it's likely a pre-installed system app. In that case, choose Hide or Disable where available, because Samsung restricts full removal of core apps to maintain system stability. After removing or hiding apps, restart the TV to make sure the home screen refreshes and the change sticks. A reboot clears cached icons. If an app won't remove, check for a system update in Settings Support Software Update, because firmware can change app management behavior. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but make sure you back up or note account details first, since reset erases personalized settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.